Guys, it's Karen Lopez here, back with another tutorial. This is the look that we're doing today. It's like a sunset with glittery liner and black liner. I used the James Charles palette to do this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not, and turn on your post notifications on. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I started by applying the shade B all over my crease and lid. And I really wanted this shade and specifically to pop out the most because I love this yellow shade. So I'm gonna go back and keep on adding more and more of that shade throughout the whole video. So I was blending it out here with the Wet n Wild brush that you could find at Target for like $1. And then I added the shade 518. It's like a light orangey shade. Making sure I blended it out evenly. I then added the shade Rusted, and I tried to apply that all over my lid and tried to blend it out towards the other two shades. At first, when I would do sunset looks, I would just leave them like this intense. It would look super light and I would love it, but now that I'm a little bit more into makeup, I love the colors for my eyeshadows to stand out a lot. So if you're a beginner and you're not used to colorful makeup, you could just leave it right here and do a liner if you like and apply lashes. But for me, I like dramatic looks, so I kept on adding more and more shades. I also kept on adding the yellow shade, which is B, because I didn't want that color to go away throughout the whole process. I wanted it to keep on standing out. Here I am blending the shade 518, and here I am adding the You're Kidding shade, which is the one that makes the look super intense. I was blending it out with this little skinny brush that I will link down below if you guys are interested. I love this brush, especially for little details like this. So you want to make sure that everything is blended nice. Here I am blending with a light hand. I wasn't applying that much pressure on my hand, just so I can make sure everything is blended and there's no harsh lines. And just kept on blending and blending. Pretty sure my arm was hurting at this point. So here I'm bringing back in the yellow. I really love this yellow and I didn't want it to go away for this look. But also making sure that it's being blended in. So I'm going back and forth and then in circular motions. And here I am adding the light purple shade, which is called Beautiful from the palette. And I only used a little bit and only by my waterline because I didn't want the red to go away. And I am applying more yellow so I could blend everything together. Circular motions and back and forth. But making sure there's no harsh lines at all. The key is to keep on blending, but with a light hand. So I decided to do my liner and noticed that my liner was literally dried out already. So I'm gonna go for like a long... I had to use the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, and I honestly suck at using liquid liners. I always have to mess my liner up every time I use these. So I'm just filling it in here. And I wanted the look to be a little bit more dramatic because I've done already sunset looks with a liner. So I wanted to do like a little bit more different. So I decided to use a liquid eyeshadow. I was gonna use glitter, but I decided to go for the liquid eyeshadow just because it looked so pretty. I believe this is by Kara Cosmetics. This is kind of like the Stila liquid eyeshadows, but these are $3 that I got from the makeup blowout sales that come every year. And here I'm just doing my under eye. I had no idea what shades to use, so I just decided to use whatever came to my mind. Here I am putting on lashes that I did not put on right. I noticed to the end. And I like to spray my little beauty blender with setting spray and then applying highlight. And that was it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see any more tutorials, let me know in the comments and I will be glad to do them. Thank you guys for watching.